Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is That Name, and that's by Yolanda Adams. Guys, we're in the key of G on today, and this was requested by Nathan. Thank you so much, Nathan, for giving us an awesome song to work on. And to kick things off, I'm going to show you what I'm working with right now. I have my lemon water. Yeah, because I'm a little under the weather. That's going to get me right. Guys, you know what? I want you to go to your favorite refrigerator. Grab your favorite beverage. Head on back to your favorite keyboard. Yamaha, Roland, I don't care what it is, Casio. Come back to it, sit down and learn with your favorite instructor, me AK, on today. All right, guys, let's get started. We're in the key of G. That's G, A, B, C, D, E, G flat, and G. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have the great Yolanda Adams in the building. She is in the numerical cave. She's standing away from me, trying not to get sick. And guys, you know what? We're just going to go ahead and stretch our hands. There we go. I think we're ready. Let's welcome Yolanda Adams.
There is a name that is so precious, a name so wonderful to me. This name is worthy of all praises. Because of Him, I am made free. That name is Jesus. Oh, how I love Him, the one who gave His life for me. Because of love so unconditional, I will have life eternally. Praise that name. Praise that name. Praise that name.
Give it up for Yolanda Adams. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So they start off with. Let me give you that. So what we're doing is we're starting out with a regular G major chord. And then we're going to our 3. And we're playing a D major chord. We're playing a C9 chord right here on the 4. They're doing this nice line. All we're doing is we're playing A major chord with a 5 flat in the bass. We're walking our G down to our G flat. And then we're going to our D. And then, nice chord. What chord is that? That is, we're on the 1. And we're playing this nice little chord right here. And we were resolving with a regular G chord. Second time through is almost the same. All right, what did I do? Second time through, G chord. We're playing a 3 with our D chord in our right hand. We're playing our C9 chord with a 4 in the bass. Nice little walk here. Yes, nice little classical movement. What are we doing? We're going C, B, A. We have our 2 in our bass. We're playing our D flat, going to an A. Then we're going to our G, resolving with our 5. That's a regular D major chord. Third time through. same as the first time. I know you want it. I'm going to slow it all the way down so you can get it. What are we doing? Our right hand is doing a nice little motif here. Let me give you that. We're playing B, A flat, B, A, D flat, A, G, D major chord, G sus, regular G major chord. What is my left hand doing? We're going 2 flat, 7, 6, 5, 5 flat, 2, 5, 1. Now all together it sounds like this. I'm going to do it very slow. Remember, you can always slow it down, get it at your pace. The next part is give you that. So we're on a 3. We're playing this G sus chord. Now we're going to our 5 flat and we're playing this A sus chord. Regular D major chord on the 5. Now we're going back to our sus. We're on a 6, we're playing a C sus. Going to the 7, playing a D sus. Now we're on our G major chord on the 1. And then we just repeat that. And then we just return back to the beginning. Then it builds up, right? We're going into a G major chord. And then we got a 7 flat in the bass. Now we're going to our C major chord with a 6 in the bass. Now we're going... Alright, what is that? We're doing 2. We're playing an A major chord, going to our 5 with a D major chord. And then we're playing our 1 with a G major chord. You know, of course, we have to take it up. So then we will go right here. We're playing an A flat major chord with a 7 flat in the bass. We're in the key of A flat now. Then we will go a regular D flat chord with our 6 in the bass. Nice gospel movement. Let me give you. We're playing this F dominant 7 chord on the 2 flat. Going to our regular B flat chord on the 2. And then we're walking up. We're on our 5 flat, same B flat major chord. Then we're playing our E flat sus chord. And guys, that's pretty much the whole song. I hope that was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is solving life's cube. My entire life, whenever I saw a Rubik's Cube, I associated it with genius level intelligence. I think to myself, those people must be really smart to figure that out. But for some reason, I never saw myself as one of them. I left solving it to the brainiacs. Fast forward to today, I decided to challenge that mindset. I reminded myself, you're one of the smartest people you know. If anyone can solve it, it's you. So I did some research, learned the method, and figured it out. The life lesson here is simple. The biggest lock on your potential is the one you put there yourself. Once you ditch those self-imposed limits and tackle challenges with confidence and curiosity, you'll find that the door to success aren't locked after all. They were just waiting for you to turn the handle.
Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Awesome. I love playing that song. That was fun. Guys, I would appreciate it if you would just continue to share, continue coming and joining me every week to learn your craft and to be better musicians. I would appreciate it if you would also go and check out our Facebook page. That's Numerical Melodies. And of course, that's me playing all the songs I love to hear and play. And of course, we have a new section. It's called, what is it? Yes, viewers requests. Viewers requests. That's just you telling me a song that you want me to learn how to play, and then I play it for you. Yeah, that's viewers requests. That's it. Numerical Melodies, Facebook, viewers requests. Tell me your song. All right, guys, we have a bell. I would love it if you hit that bell. When you hit that bell, a video that is new is coming right to you. And of course, right next to it is a subscribe button. I would love it if you can come and be a part of our community. That is 3 seconds, I believe. Let's try it out. 3, 2, 1. Bam! You just hit it, and you just hit the bell. I really appreciate that. Guys, you make my day. This is Numerical Melodies. You're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.